In this video, we'll show you how to transfer your Bitcoin from your Cash App account to Kraken. First of all, you need to log into your Kraken account and you need to get your Bitcoin wallet address. So let's go to our Kraken account, then click deposit and find the Bitcoin in the list. You can use the search bar or just select Bitcoin, which will be here. And then you need to select the Bitcoin network. Click I understand, and right here you need to copy the wallet address from Kraken. Once you will copy your wallet address from your Kraken account, then you need to open your Cash App, click on the bank icon in the bottom menu and scroll down until you will see Bitcoin. Click on the Bitcoin, and if you have activated the Bitcoin function on your Cash App and if you have available balance, you will see this kind of page. There will be your Bitcoin balance. You need to click this arrow button right here and select send Bitcoin. Then you need to paste the wallet address you copied from Kraken. So you need to paste the Bitcoin wallet address and click on the next button in the top right. After that, select the amount of Bitcoin you are transferring from Cash App to Kraken. And the next step is select the transaction speed. There are three options: priority, rush, and standard. You can select the priority if you want to receive your money as soon as possible, but keep in mind that the commissions are higher in this case. Then click on the next button and finalize the transaction. In a few minutes, you can check your Bitcoin balance on your Kraken account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.